Ngunit, umpisa pa lamang ito na malayo pa ninyong lalakbayin. Alam ko na ang kaalaman at aral na natutunan ninyo ng kindergarten ay tiyak na magiging susi sa inyong tagumpay sa hinaharap. To the parents whose dedication has never wavered, I offer my sincere thanks and deepest admiration. Your children's transition is a testament to your unending support and undying love. Let us uphold this spirit and ensure our homes remain pillars of the Matatag educational ethos. To our teachers and staff, your tireless commitment has been the cornerstone of our students' journey. The guidance you provide is immeasurable, and for that we are deeply grateful. You are the embodiment of Matatag's resilience and strength. Let us continue to join forces to equip our students for the challenges ahead. And to our civic leaders and educational allies, your contributions have been fundamental in broadening the horizons of our young learners. Your efforts extend far beyond the physical confines of our schools, fostering environments where dreams can be pursued. May our collaborative efforts persist in nurturing a more inclusive educational future. Kami mula sa tanggapan